Go.
So, guys, Liam YouTuber back, and yeah, my last video I made some custom, so today I'm gonna make some custom some more. So I'm gonna make Nightwing. There's like Nightwing in this game, but there's a different version of him, the blue version. So I'm gonna try and perfect the blue version of him, and we'll see how it goes. So let's try it. Well.
Delete it, record again. Delete it, record again. What's the deal?
What's up, guys? Welcome to another Liam YouTuber here. You see my last video, I made some customs on Lego Batman 3, the game, and I'm gonna make some more customs. Today I'm gonna make Nightwing and a different character. I don't know what character yet. The blue version of Nightwing, and just to let you know, these are the legs. Let's put black candy something on legs. Then those. And now, black hands. And then I'm going to need blue beetles. Actually, would those be the right type of legs? No, actually those would be. Okay, so blue beetle. Yeah, that's helping a lot, Alexa. So now it's gonna. If this did not, I hate this gun in the way. This gun is so stupid. Okay. If that didn't have that symbol, I would choose in a heartbeat. But I guess it is the Saint Walker or whatever it's called. Okay. I think, no, I'm not going to use blue beetles again. I really did not think this through. How about, ooh, yeah, use the, okay, so then just use the blue beetles again. Now for the face, this is the fun part. Put it as like, that color face. I don't want to be with, like, you know what, and then next put the trickster's, face on there. Then you're not going to use this because this is Boy Wonder, aka Robin. You're going to use actual Nightwings, and there you go. Then you're just going to use a Batarang for his weapon. I'll name these all later. Just call them, like Nightwing or something, whatever you want. That's not my decision to make. And now Spider-Man. I'm sorry, I have to get rid of you. Okay. So, what should I make? I think I'll make I'll make, if the Batman game, you know how Jason Todd gets abducted by Joker and like gets like dies, comes back to life in that cool suit in like not the show, it's a game. So I'm gonna make him like in that like the suit. So for that I'm gonna need those legs, black hips, then the gloves. I believe he had like a silverish. Then this is actually turning out really good so far. Then this is easy. Oh jeez. Crap, the hard part. This is the very, very hard part. The face. I think I'm gonna make him. Yeah, actually I know how to make him. Let's put that. That. Put it in black. Then put a mask on him. But the mask will be not that, because then that just looks stupid. So does that. Wait a second. Actually, I have a very good idea. So then you take this and you. Oh my god. Let's just make it like. It's like a silver, yeah. Okay, so I'll put that like so after when you did the facing or whatever, then if I were you, I would probably put like a gray inside the mouth holder. Gray. Actually, I would probably put. Is there a light gray? Yeah, I would put light gray. Yeah. So I think. Oh wait, I didn't do this. He's like a big sniper rifle in this game, and I don't know how to make that. So I'm probably just gonna. Not that. That looks stupid. No, all that. There's a Red Hood in this game that has that gun. That looks stupid. Is he holding that with both hands? I guess it could work. I don't want a shrink gun. Or do I? I'll just make him with battering. Because he looks cool with one. Why not? Whatever. No, not this. I'll just make him with this gun. It's so hard. Whatever, I'll make him with the sonar blast. And that is that. I just call him like a different Red Hood. Oh yeah. And this is like my other version of Red Hood without his mask on. Yeah. So this is what the two characters, not this. No, dang it, not Cable. I'm sorry about the writing because that I'm gonna finish that sooner or later. So, what do you think looks better? You guys, do you guys like A or B? By the way, subscribe, leave that notifications bar, button or something, and I will see you all. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.